A quick video, YouTube. Electronic mechanic. This is a Ace Hardware pump sprayer. Full of gear oil. And you just run it. I cut the little nozzle off and I just slid a piece of clear hose over the end. Fits really tight. And you just run it into your differential. On this car, it's really difficult because it's an all-wheel drive car, so it has the differentials like hidden behind this cross member. But if you run the hose up over the top, right into the hole, all you have to do is pump it up, lock the trigger on, and you can see the flow. You can get these at Ace Hardware for like 12 bucks. $12 fluid transfer pump. I have one dedicated for ATF. I have this one dedicated for gear oil. And I think I'm going to go purchase another one to dedicate for something else. Probably for, since I have so many of these all-wheel drive Fords in the family, I may just get one just for the PTU fluid, the 145/75 gear oil, full synthetic, and I'll just have one dedicated for that. Just a quick little tip here from Electronic Mechanic. Probably seen it online. That's where I got the idea. But it works well. It's not super fast, but it'll pump probably a half gallon of gear oil in, 2 quarts of gear oil in like, I don't know, maybe 5-6 minutes. It's all good.